I've been asking myself how budget smartphones can be this slim. We are talking about just 6.49mm thin, a curved display, and a body that's even lighter than the Galaxy S25 Edge, yet somehow packs a bigger battery. This is the Tecno Spark 40 Pro Plus. For something this light and ultra slim, the big question is it actually any good? Tecno has been on a serious run lately with the Spark 40 series. First we saw the Spark 40 with a design that felt very familiar, then the Spark 40 Pro with a look inspired by a certain intergalactic device, and now then we have the Spark 40 Pro Plus. This phone is officially the first to launch the MediaTek new Helio G6200 processor, and while I do have some reservation about that chip, we'll get to that shortly. What really stand out immediately is that this is the Tecno's slimmest and lightest phone ever, and it feels like a meaningful upgrade over the Spark 20 Pro Plus. If you're wondering, there was no Spark 30 Pro Plus, so this feels like a proper return. While it's not quite the Spark Slim concept Tecno showed off at MWC earlier this year, is still one of the slimmest curved display phone you can buy right now, and if rumors are true, we might still see that Spark Slim later this year. Before diving deeper, let's quickly talk about the highlights. The Spark 40 Pro Plus is extremely slim, packed with AI feature support, wireless charging, runs on the Helio G6200, and has a very bright high-resolution display. The unboxing experience is also surprisingly generous. Inside the box you get the glass screen protector, a 45 watts fast charging, a USB-A to USB-C cable, and a solid silicone case. This is honestly one of the most protective cases Tecno has included in a long time. It fully covers the slide, slightly overlaps the curved display, and even has a padding so the screen doesn't touch surface when pressed down face. The magnetic ring inside the case isn't just for show. This phone supports wireless charging, which is a first for the Spark series as far as I can tell. It even supports up to 30 watts magnetic wireless charging, which is more than what many flagship offer and easily the highest you'll find at this price point. Well, we will come back to that when we talk about the battery life. In terms of the design, the Spark 40 Pro Plus looks as premium as the budget phone can get. It doesn't just look good, it feels premium in the hand as well. Despite housing a 5200 mAh battery, it's incredibly lightweight. On my scale, it comes in at 161 grams compared to the Galaxy S25 Edge at 163 grams. That's impressive. Color options include Nebula Black, Aurora White, Dada Green, and Moon Titanium. The camera layout may look familiar, but the raised bump gives it a character and keeps the design consistent with Tecno's K series. Most colors have matte finish and that resist fingerprints, while the Dada Green option has more of leather-like texture. As expected, there is no headphone jack and no SD card slot, so storage isn't expandable. That said, Tecno offers a 256GB option at a reasonable price, so this should be a deal breaker. You still get stereo speakers, which sounds surprisingly good, and an IR blaster. Tecno also went over accessories like Watch Pro 2 and Box 4 Air, which pair seamlessly and a nice bonus if you are buying into the Tecno ecosystem. I think Tecno is trying to bring their own ecosystem as that of the Apple phone and Apple ecosystem. Despite how thin it is, Tecno claims solid durability, saying the phone can survive drops from up to 2 meters, although in the fine print that rating applies when the case is attached, so maybe don't try any extreme drop test without protection. You also get an IP64 rating for dust and splash resistance. The display is one of the highlights here. It's a 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a 1.5K resolution and peak brightness of up to 4500 nits. In a regular high brightness mode, it sits around 1600 nits, which is still excellent. There are some technical debate around the resolution because while the specs list 1224 by 2720, some benchmarks apps report 1080p. The interesting part is that Tecno uses its T1 chip to upscale the display using AI, which they quietly mentioned in the fine print. You can also stream YouTube videos at 4040 pixel, so in real world use it still delivers sharp visuals. The refresh rate goes up to 144 Hz refresh rate, and you can customize it per app. Even though not many apps fully support 144 Hz, the phone feels smooth overall. The display is protected by Gorilla Glass 7 eye, and despite my unit already picking up a few scratches from tight pockets, it's impressive how sturdy the phone feels for such a slim design. Software-wise, the Spark 40 Pro Plus runs on Android 15 with iOS 15.1.1, while Tecno hasn't officially confirmed update timelines. Based on the recent trends, we should see around 3 major Android updates. iOS has come a long way. It's a feature-packed and visually appealing. Some may find it a bit heavy. Android gives you plenty of room to customize and reduce clutter. There are pre-installed apps that push notification ads, but those can be easily disabled or uninstalled. Tecno has also taken inspiration from HyperOS, adding features like apps category, dual system mode, and strong multitasking tools that honestly compete with One UI even at this price. AI is a big focus here. You get Tecno full AI suite, including the DeepSeek powered assistant Ella, call summaries, call translations, smart touch features, object erasers, AI image extender, and more. There are also flash snaps, which helps capture fast-moving objects, a feature carried over from Tecno's higher-end models. Performance is handled by the MediaTek Helio G6200, which offers about 10% improvement over the G100. For everyday use, the phone is smooth and responsive, with no issue handling social media, browsing, or multitasking. My main reservation is that since the Helio G99 performance gain in this series have been fairly minimal, the jump from G99 to G100 to G200 doesn't feel dramatic in real world use, and even benchmark scores are only slightly apart. That said, there really isn't anything better officially available at this price point, and the phone is well optimized. If you are chasing flagship level performance, you'll need to look at a higher budget category. Gaming performance is solid. You expect consistent frame rates at medium graphics in most titles. PUBG Mobile supports HDR graphics with ultra frame rates, and you can push extreme frame rates when using smooth graphics. eFootball runs at high graphics at 60 frame rates per second with stable performance. The phone does get warm during extended gaming sessions, but nothing out of the ordinary, especially considering how slim it is. There are also some interesting extras like FreeLink, which allows free calls and text between Tecno and Infinix phones with a 500-meter range, almost like a modern walkie-talkie. There are also outdoor boosters mode, which boosts brightness and performance when you are outside, though it does consume more battery. Speaking of the battery, the Spark 40 Pro Plus comes with a 5200 mAh battery, and battery life is excellent even with heavy use. What really sets it apart is 30 watts wireless charging and 10 watts reverse wireless charging, which is honestly groundbreaking for a budget phone. Wired charging goes up to 45 watts, so topping up is quick and convenient. Camera-wise, you get a 50 megapixel main camera and a 13 megapixel selfie camera. While this is a step down from the 108 megapixel sensor on the Spark 30 Pro, photo quality is still very good. The solid HDR and detailed selfies are sharp with good contrast, and video recording tops out at 2K at 30 frames per second on both cameras. As long as lighting is good, the results holds up well. Compared to the previous model, the Spark 40 Pro brings a slimmer and more premium design, a newer processor, better AI features, wireless charging, and a larger battery. Compared to the regular Spark 40 Pro, the Pro Plus stands out with a slimmer body, wireless charging, and higher storage options, while the regular Pro keeps the headphone jack and SD card slot. I'll be doing a full comparison soon. Overall, the Tecno Spark 40 Pro Plus is a strong statement from Tecno. It raises the bar for what budget phone can offer in terms of design, features, and innovation. It's not perfect. I would have loved to see a 5G support and a high-end Dimensity chip, but even as it stands, this one is one of the most exciting budget smartphones we have right now. The real question is, would you rock it without the case? Let me know in the comment section down below. Remember to subscribe to my channel to never miss out on any of our tech content. See you in my next video. Bye.